do I want for lunch today? Let's see. I had a brats yesterday. I had soup the day before. I know, nachos. Yes, nachos. Wash your hands. To make nachos, these are my ingredients. I have my nacho chips. I have my salsa. Ooh, this one is thick and chunky. I have my sour cream. I have my Fiesta blend. I have 4 cheeses for my nachos. Yum. And I have seasoning. You know who likes this? We all know who likes this. My supplies, I'll need a spoon for my sour cream and a spoon for my salsa. And I'll need a plate to put my nachos on. Let's get started. I have my chips, restaurant style. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna put a few more on there. Now I have my shredded cheese. I like putting my shredded cheese over all the nachos, so when it melts, it's nice and gooey. And now, I'm gonna put this in the microwave for 30 seconds. Here's my microwave. 30 seconds. Done. Ooh. Nice. Nice. All right. Look at these nachos. Now I have my thick and chunky salsa. Oh yeah. A little flop there. Next I have sour cream. Perfect, one more. Perfect. And finally, if you like a little seasoning, all right, next step is enjoy. See you next time. Put salsa, cheese, and sour cream back in the refrigerator. Put chips and seasoning back in the pantry. Wash your plate and spoons.